Okay, the first thing we're going to do to get into YouMeScript is to sign into our Google account and go to our Google Drive. You'll find Google Drive. Wherever you find these little dots here, it's got all the apps for Google. So we're going to go to Drive, which is where we're at. And we're going to go into our folders. We're going to put our homework in. Let's say we're going to put it in Module 3. That's where we're going to put our script. This is an old one. I'm going to get rid of that. Then we're going to open a new tab. Go to YouMeScript.com. And you'll notice we get this outline here. It's already started something for us here. But we haven't done anything until we save it. So let's go ahead and save this to our Google Drive. I'm going to call it Kaler Script Project 1. And I can change where I put it in my Google Drive so it doesn't throw it in there as somewhere random. Let's come down to our Pellissippi folder and come in here. There's our assignments. Just click on the folder itself. Don't open the folder. It won't allow you to save it that way. Just select a folder. And maybe that's where I'm going to put all my scripts. So I make that default. Then I hit save. All right. It's both in my Google Drive and saved here. So notice when I scroll up, we get the first page. So I'm going to give my script a name. Written by me. Now notice a lot of all caps are used in scripts. There's certain things that are all caps and certain things that are not. And we'll go through that as we go. So let's come down to the third icon on the left. Let's add the characters first. So I'm going to add a new. You don't have to hold down the caps key or anything. It already formats it for you. So I put man. Then I add another one. Woman. Again, I'm not doing caps on this. It does it on its own. Now, let's add our location. Add a new location. I'm going to say kitchen table. Done. That's our one location we're going to be doing. You'll see there's scenes. If you had multiple scenes, we're only going to film one scene. All right. So now we're ready to get started. Usually it will just fade in. That's just a default transition. But here you see the scene heading. A scene heading consists of whether it's an interior, exterior, or both, the location, and what time of day it is. So let's do this one. Let's delete it. See, it's still highlighted there. I can go interior, and it's going to pull up my only location, kitchen table, and it's going to give me a choice. Day, night, continuous. I'll say day. All right. Now, this is like an action area. So, man, I do have to hold down caps this time because every character should be capitalized. Walks into kitchen carrying briefcase. And when I hit return, it goes back to action. But if I hit my tab key, now we're ready to start some dialogue. So man, I hit the return key, and now we're ready for the dialogue. And woman. now you can add parentheticals, like just kind of telling the actor kind of what emotion you're going for. I can say, oh no. Say, nervous. Then I would say, oh no. All right. And if you get lost in here, you want to change the type of paragraph you're starting, right click and come up to paragraph type. And you can choose any of these here. So now we're ready to end this here. So I'm going to say transition, fade out. And that, in a nutshell, is how to use YouMeScript to write your first script. Once you've completed your script, scroll up to the top. Come up to this top tab here, go to Export, and choose PDF. Hit OK. It's going to ask you where to put it. And you can save it to your desktop and go ahead and upload it to Brightspace.